This leg of the journey goes from Hanmer Springs up through Maruia Falls, see some grizzly history of Murchison, and then into Golden Bay where I have a look at some caves. But to start with, enjoy the scenery of the Waiau River and through Lewis Pass. Lives have been lost. It's a fairly good warning. Filming, I noticed this interesting cave. I don't know whether it's man-made or natural. I didn't really want to get any closer because drones and waterfalls don't mix in my experience. If anyone knows more about it, leave a message in the comments. I'd be interested to find out. Murchison. Might stop for a bite to eat. And I might see if I can find the place where possibly the world's first suicide bombing outside of war happened. I don't really like grizzly histories, but this is something I had no idea about until recently, even though I've passed through this town many times before. Some of the locals didn't seem to know about it either, even though they collect their post right next to this plaque. Spent a lot longer there than I really planned, because locals love to talk, and that's a good thing. One day I should start actually filming and sort of doing a more documentary type thing with these discussions with the locals. But at the moment I'm not very comfortable filming people. Changes things a bit. Anyway, speaking of footage, this isn't actually going to make it onto the edit. So, Motorbike is 90 kilometres away. I've got 100 kilometres of fuel. So that's pretty well judged. Well, I've now reached Motorbike, and the petrol indicator has given up. Obviously not even enough petrol for it to guess, but it got down to 5 kilometres to go a while ago. So I guess that means it's just on the smell of an oily rag at the moment. So let's find a petrol station. Now on to Collingwood, over the fabled Takaka Hill. I've got no idea whether anyone has actually written a fable about it, but so it's fabled anyway. That is such a good view. That's Golden Bay out in the distance. And it's still Golden Bay when you're closer. Oh well, let's go to Pupu Springs rather than sitting in a traffic jam. Hello. So now on to Collingwood, and so a little bit of time to do a quick tiki tour, I think, before I put up the tent. So a quick look at the Devil's Boots. Road that way. It's called the Devil's Boots because of these overhanging rocks here that look like boots upended. The old Goldfields are somewhere up here. Bit of a bumpy track. No vehicles beyond this point. This track is a lot more difficult than I remember it being. Not ideal for a fat guy wearing motorbike gear on a really hot sunny day. Whew. Well, it seemed to take hours to get to the point where it's 5 minutes away. There we go. Oh, 100 metres more steep track. So don't interfere with the caves. go. It's all rather dark. Let's see if I've got a torch in my bag. So the reason this is called the Ballroom Cave is the miners actually did used to hold dances in here. Because it's that big. There we go. Historic Langfords store and post office. And it's still functioning as a store. Apparently during the gold rush, a third of the country's population lived here.